Okay, check this out. This is the Midea window air conditioner right over here. Check it out. You can see the air compressors right there on the outside. And you can see right here, we have the window closed in the middle right over here. We have this safety bar right over here. That's a safety bar, so you can't open and close the windows. And we have one right over here just in case you open the window by accident. The air conditioner doesn't go out, but it shouldn't go out because, oh, you can't see it now. Right there, it's on a stand right there, the new technology. You can see here's a closer look right over here. It has app connect. You can connect it to your iPhone, which is really cool. There's a timer. You can set it right here, and then you set the timer. I'm not sure, I think that's a half hour. Then eco mode, it turns on, and then as soon as you get to the temperature, it turns off. Right now it's set for 72 degrees mode. You could have it on auto, cool, dry, and fan. And then there's fan right there, the speed adjustment, sleep. I'm not quite sure what that is. Swing, the louver, or the damper goes up and down and circulates it so it's not blowing directly on you. And an on and off switch right over here. We'll turn it on with the remote. Check that out. And now we'll turn swing on. Check that out. That's pretty cool. It doesn't fully go down. Listen to how quiet that is. And here's the speeds. That's on high right there. That's low. That's medium. I didn't hear too much of a difference. You hear a difference with high though. And then there's fan. It shows the current temperature, but I'm not quite sure why it's saying 70 degrees, 71 it's going up. It's a little off because we have it right above main central air conditioner, because if I keep it in that window, then the neighbors could see it, but over here we have it behind the tree. And then I just put this thing over it. I took it off so it doesn't look tacky for the video, so it's not blowing directly on me, on my bed. And you can see you can adjust it right over there. Turn the direction of it. You can see once it's turned off, you can open up the door, and the filter's right over here inside of it. Just pull it down, and you take the filter out. It's pretty clean. You can see right here is inside the view. Temperature sensor right there for the thermostat. This is like a ductless mini split. You have the air compressor outside, and then you have this like little tube. I don't know if you could see it. You can't really see it now, but there's like a little tube from the air compressor, and that's all that's going in from this width right here. The tube comes in, and this is the main unit. It sits right here, and it also has the damper that goes up and down the louver. And then when you turn it off, you can see it closes. And then you can see there's the window insulation, the bracket. You just tilt those lines over. There's a thing, clip right over there. You just move them over. And you can see it swivels onto this table right over here. This is underneath the air conditioner. There's two of them, one over there too. It's like all other windows, air conditioners, you put some type of sealing. I didn't duct tape it yet because we just got it. We want to test it out first, but it's doing a pretty good job. It's very quiet. Sideways. Okay, we're gonna take this safety bar out right here. Pull out the safety bar right here that goes into the windowsill. We thought it goes out the other way. It goes this way into the track, so it's some more security. Now I'll screw the screw in. Okay, we're having some difficulty with that safety bar. It's not lining up because if we close the window, then you can't open it in the middle right here. It closes like a normal window, you see. Now we're gonna put this down. This is supposed to go in right there. Window insulation right over here. Okay, it's a hot day. I'm all sweaty and it's like 90 degrees out. We're gonna turn the air conditioner on. We have it set for 72 on air conditioning mode. You can see here it comes. And then now if it's a cool night like tonight, it's gonna go down to 55 degrees tonight. We could switch it over to fan, and now we can open the window. Check that out. We can get the cool air on a cold night, and then we could shut it for when we need air conditioning, okay? Okay, if we're away now, like if we go out to dinner or something 20 minutes away or from at somebody's house, and I don't want to wait for it to cool or wait an hour for it to cool, I could cool it from an hour away, and then as soon as I get home, within 20 minutes of when I turn this on, it'll be cool. You could, right here, you open that up. Right here, you could see it's set for 72 degrees on, oh, that's the temperature already in the room on fan. I think you can't adjust this, cannot be changed under fan because it shows the current temperature. It has dehumidifier for drying. Let's see if you can adjust the temperature. Oh, so it does, like, you could have it air conditioning. And then right over here, we'll have an air conditioning mode right over here. And then here's the horizontal, that's, you could adjust the louver. And right over here, you could adjust the fan speed right now. Here's low. Here's medium. And then there's high. And then eco mode, as soon as it hits, let's see, we'll set it for 72. And once it gets down to 72 or below, it'll shut off, and then every 10 minutes the fan runs on. And then right over here, we could turn for bedtime. You could turn the light off when we're going to bed. And then you could turn it back on, and then you could set a schedule, but I like to just run it when I'm in. I don't leave it on when we're not home. And that's all the features, and check that out. I could turn the air conditioner off. The air conditioner is priming right now. This is the view from the outside. Give it a few more seconds for full power. It's very quiet. Holy cow, that's quiet, and that's on high speed max. Oh, there's a plane going by now too. The plane's louder than my air conditioner. Listen to that. You can see why we have it in that window. It's so we can put it behind the tree. Because the right side of the road, you don't see it. And then when you get towards the middle, you can barely see it right over there. And we'll keep walking. If you're coming down from up the street, going down the street, you can see it from over in this angle, but it's much better than the left window. Our other air compressor is much louder than my window one. That's insane. I hear the other one louder. That one's making more noise than my window AC. That's a surprise. Usually it's the other way around.